Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Learning World. So today we will learn to draw lots of beautiful drawings. First, we are drawing a beautiful baby stroller. We'll make it big, pretty, and stylish with large wheels, a comfortable seat, and lovely decorations. Wow, our baby stroller is looking so beautiful. Now we are drawing a cute baby girl. With a cute bow on her hairs. She is wrapped in a soft cloth blanket. Look, friends, our baby is smiling beautifully. Now we will draw a cute and adorable feeder for our baby. We will give it a cute shape and decorate it with lovely hearts. Hi kids, now let's start coloring and painting our beautiful drawings. Red cherry color. Light green color in cute patterns. Pink color.
A tisket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put
Dark
it in
brown
his
color.
pocket.
Orange color. Purple color. Sky blue color. Now we are coloring a smiling baby girl wrapped in her blanket. Red marker color. Orange paint. Yellow color. Skin color in baby's face. Now we will color in our cute baby feeder. Light pink and dark pink color in cute hearts. Sea blue color. Purple crayon color. Now we are doing rainbow colors in our baby stroller wheels.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
See kids how beautiful and gorgeous our drawings are looking.
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a
Well, our beautiful drawing is complete. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy drawing videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.